first oil change on the Demon. Damn, how many threads does this shit have? Ooh. Gotta drain from the intercooler line. Out she goes. Wait at least 20 minutes for it to drain properly. Look at the size of these fucking tires. Plug is back. New filter is on. Intercooler line plug is back on. Remember, this is the most important step. Nobody does this. You have to do it on Hellcats, and you have a Demon as well. Drain this. If you have an oil catch in, this is the perfect time to empty it out. Yep. Oil catch can is doing its job. Last step, add the oil. Just like that, she's ready to go.